What if I told you that you can generate stunning animated videos, design consistent characters, add natural voiceovers, switch between multiple art styles, and even edit your storyboards, all without being an expert animator? We've worked hand in hand with this old animated avatar for a while, but now it's time to upgrade. Today, we'll be changing from that avatar to my humble self avatar, a truer reflection of me. In this tutorial, you're going to learn step by step how I achieved this transformation using Video Inu, from character setup to scene creation, voiceover, editing, and exporting.
Longest AI tool. So in today's tutorial, let's forge ahead on how to use this longest AI tool. So let's go to our browser. So I'm going to go to my Chrome browser and I'm going to press this link. This is Video Inu AI. Just type. So this is how it looks like. All right. So we're gonna select it now. Just type videoinu.com. Videoinu.ai. Okay. Just type videoinu.ai. All right. So the site is loading. All right. So this is how the website looks like. So the next thing you are going to do now is to select Start for Free. So just click on Start for Free. Then this is how the interface looks like. This looks so beautiful. All right, so how the interface looks like. This is amazing thing that a lot of people created. As you can see, the site looks so stunning. It looks so stunning. This is amazing things people created. All right, so now this option that says login, please don't log in. All right, unless you have an account with them, unless you have an existing account. So we are going to sign up. As you can see, it's written here, don't have an account, sign up. So we are going to sign up. So we are going to select a nickname here. So I'm just going to write Mira AI. All right, so they're going to ask for my email address. So I'm going to select send code, in which a code will be sent to me. All right, so let me check if it has been sent to me. All right, so I've pressed my code, the verification code. So as you can see, I'm seeing 500 star here. So they give you credit on a daily basis. Okay, so I've signed up successfully. So if I'm to log into this site again, all I have to do is to sign in. Okay, so let's access the interface. So this is written AI video generator. This is written AI character generator. So we are going to work with AI video generator. So let's click on AI video generator. All right, so as you can see, this site is actually broad. I think it looks similar like Magic Light. It's kind of, this is a landscape, then the language, the 3D cartoon, and thereabout. So it also has its storyboard. So let's click on our AI character. So this is the AI character. Can actually generate an image here, which will cost you 5 credits. All right. So this is AI character generation. All right, this asset is where your projects are. Okay, this is where you see your project after creating your video. This is where you're going to see your project. So let's click on AI video. This AI video, this is where we're going to press in our prompts. This is create a story preview. Write something here to make your story. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT and generate our story and come here and press it. All right. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I need a short story, short, interesting, and educative story. Okay. So I'm going to hit generate. Actually, I don't need this. So I told ChatGPT I want an adventurous story of a girl and her brother. Her name Zara and her brother name is Fortune. So let's hit generate and see. Actually, it even gave me chapter. What is this? Let me just write. I want a story narration, not chapters. Okay, so this is the story it gave me. So I'm going to copy it. So let's go back to this site. So we're going to press it here. So as you can see, is you can actually press in up to 20,000 script here. Okay, I think that 20,000 should be charged. It should be paid. So after this, you're going to select the temperature you want, whether it's high or thereabout. So say low, obedient to instruction. Okay, I selected adventurous. Okay, so we are going to select this 3D cartoon. Okay, I believe they are going to bring out more styles you can choose for this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 3D cartoon. This is cinematic, horror, Zootopia, realistic, Ghibli, pixel art, comic, cyberpunk, 2D novel, and GTA and Clear. So can either use 3D cartoon or cinematic. Okay, so let's use Zootopia. I think I love it. So they're asking for the minutes. You can use 3 minutes. This 3 minutes, I think the way is displaying here, it involves some payment. Okay, so let's use 1 minute. So you're going to select landscape. You can either select landscape or portrait. So I'm selecting landscape. So the language, you can select any of the languages that you want that is being displayed here. So I'm working with English. I'll select confirm. So that is it. The next thing I'm going to do is to select create. Okay. So you have to wait. All right. So this is cast. So we are going to choose the main character, that is Zara and Fortune. So this is the one they gave us. Actually, okay, so this is still loading. So let's wait a while. After loading, we'll edit that image that was given to us. So they've brought out the this is the story preview. Let's click on next. Okay, so they're generating this full story. It's loading. So the next thing is to switch over to this third segment, which I clicked here, generate. All right. So this is the cover, how the cover will look like. This is the cover. If you want the cover to have the caption of the particular story, you can actually type in the title of the story here. And if you don't want it, fine and good. The next thing is subtitle. So this is where our subtitle is. This is the main place our subtitle is.
If this video adds value to you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share it with someone who's also exploring animation.
Then the next thing is music. All right, so if you want a background music, you can choose here. You can choose the one you want. So there is also option for voiceover where you can choose any voiceover you want, whether it's a male or female or thereabouts. All right, so that is it. Okay, so this is where you get your speaker in Storyboard. In this number 3, the Storyboard, this is where you get your speaker. So this is it. This is where you choose your speaker. So I selected Ryan. Okay.
Zara pulls a dusty parchment from the hollow trunk.
So if you don't want this voice, you can as well select Martha. You can just click on it.
Zara pulls a dusty parchment from the hollow trunk, eyes shining.
So you can choose any voice of your choice. Just click on it.
Zara pulls a dusty parchment from the hollow trunk. Zara pulls a dusty parchment from the hollow.
So I think I'm going to choose Martha. So after choosing this one, you can select the speed if you want it to be 1 times or 1.5 times or 2.0. If you want it to be faster, you can drag it to this extreme. Okay. Or let me keep it here. I think here is okay. So I'm going to select OK. After selecting the one you want, you select OK. All right. So this is an option where you animate it. All right. So for you to animate it, you have to pay with this. As you can see, this is 100 credits. Okay. So this is 20 short. Okay, so 20 short for one. So you just select the one you want, you can afford. Okay, so if you want a lip sync, you have to still pay for it. So that is it. So let's choose the one let's select this one and select send. You will animate it. So you want them to move. We don't want it to be static. Okay, so you have to exercise patience while it's animating your characters. All right, so you waste 100 credit for one. If you're using this video okay, you have to waste 100 credit, as you can see there. So let's click on it. So can you see that it has been animated? Okay, so for other ones to be animated as well, we have to still do the same thing. To be animated as well, I'll have to select animate and you will still select this one. So this one consumes 100 shots. This one consumes 20. They are much. This is for lip sync. All right, so let's check out this one. All right, so it seems as if ours is this is my credits is just remaining 290 credits. So this is for Pro. For me to access that one, I have to switch to Pro. So let me just animate. Let me use the first one, which is this one. Let me use it and animate it. And I'll still animate 2 more. I'll still animate 2 more. I'll still animate 2 more. So, all right, it's done animating. So this is it. So let's animate this one as well. I think our credit will be exhausted now. It's done animating. So I don't think I can animate another one because our credit is exhausted. So let's write that. I believe it's not going to work. As you can see, it's written credits left, 90 credits. So we can't actually use it for that. So lip sync is pretty short. Let's see if it's going to work out. So let's select lip sync. So this credit renews every day. So you can take your time and animate as much as you want. If it doesn't work out, you can go back the next day and commence the animation. Our lip sync is ready. So let's. Okay, so now I can as well lip sync a lot of them. So, for the purpose of this tutorial, so the next thing I'm going to do is to select next. So it's saving our storyboard for us. So if you want to select a title, you select. So I selected no title. Okay, after that, I'm going to select generate. So it's generating our video for us. It's generating our videos for us. Our video is ready, so let's play it.
Cave of Echoes, the compass home. Zara pulls a dusty parchment from the hollow trunk, eyes shining. Fortune unfolds the map. Living glow ripples across warm paper. Zara packs essentials while Fortune hesitates, then nods to begin. They follow hovering lines, crossing a shaky bridge hand in. At a riddle stone, Zara grins and answers with quick confidence. Capuchin monkeys snatch at snacks. Zara distracts as Fortune shields. At the rocky mouth, cool air breathes out. They step into dim crystal light. Echoed fears stir. Crystals flare brighter as Fortune thinks of.
The next thing you're going to do is to select download. You just select download. It will be downloaded immediately. So if you go to your file, you will see your work there. You don't need to stress yourself. Okay?
And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to unlock Videoinu's full potential, from creating characters to generating animations, adding voices, and customizing your scenes. The only limit is your imagination. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep telling your story in the most creative way possible.